Hi everyone, hope you're all safe and well. James here from Aberdare Tennis Club. Just going to show you some activities that you can do at home to help with tennis. The tip is going to be to say bounce when the ball bounces and then hit when you go to hit the ball. So the first activity, you're going to be gently hitting the tennis ball up in front of you, and every time that happens you're going to say bounce when the ball bounces and hit when you go to hit. So like this: bounce hit, bounce hit, bounce hit, bounce hit, bounce hit. Once you've done about 10, you can move on to activity number 2. Activity number 2, you're going to need a wall, and you're going to drop the tennis ball to the side and gently tap it against the wall, and when the ball bounces back, you're going to say bounce and then hit when you go to hit. So like this: bounce hit, bounce hit, bounce hit, bounce hit, bounce hit. Once you've done about 10 again, you're going to need mum or dad, brother and sister. They can help you with this. They are going to gently underarm throw the ball to you. You're going to say bounce when the ball bounces, and you're going to tap the tennis ball back to them. If you can get them to catch the ball every time, you can get a point. Okay, so rack it up to the side, bounce hit, back ready, bounce hit, bounce hit. Okay, have a go, let us know how you do, and hopefully see you back on court soon.